Good morning. Exercise 1.3, question number 1. Solve 2x plus 5y equal to minus 2. X plus 2y equal to minus 3. See, we are going to use matrix inversion method to solve these two equations. What is my matrix inversion method? Supposing I have an equation in this model. Say A x is equal to B. I can write x is equal to A inverse B. If I have an equation Ax equal to B, I can write x is equal to A inverse B. A matrix that is in the left side will come to A inverse as in the right hand side with B. Now we know how to find out A inverse. So we can multiply A inverse and B to arrive at x. Now how to write this Ax equal to B form? Look at the equation. We write all the numbers. What are the numbers? 2, 5. Here no number means we consider as 1 and here it is 2. So the numbers 2, 5, 1, 2. I am writing as 2, 5, 1, 2. This is A matrix into x means the two variables that is coming in the question. X and y. So we write x, y. This is equal to the RHS. What is RHS? Minus 2, minus 3. So write that as a matrix. Say minus 2, minus 3. So see the given two equations 2x plus 5y equal to minus 2 and x plus 2y equal to minus 3 is written as a matrix form. All the numbers as one matrix say A and all the variables as one matrix say x and the right hand side as one matrix. Now this is A x equal to B. So I need to find out A inverse B. So what is A? A is equal to 2, 5, 1, 2. So we need to find out what is A inverse. Now remember the procedure. First we find out determinant A. How to find out determinant A? Determinant A is 2, 5, 1, 2. Expand the determinant. How do we multiply? Product. Say 2 2's are main diagonal, 4 minus and the side diagonal 5 into 1 that is 5. 4 minus 5 is minus 1 and whenever this answer is not 0, I can find out A inverse. How to write A inverse? The formula goes 1 by determinant A adjoint of A. That is 1 by what is determinant? Minus 1 and let us remember finding adjoint. We reverse the main diagonal. That is 1, 2, 2. Even if I interchange, I get 2, 2 only. So let me write 2, 2. And the other diagonal, we will change the symbol. So this will become minus 5 and this will become minus 1. So minus 5, minus 1. And so I get what is A inverse. Let us write the answer properly. Taking this minus symbol inside, I rewrite this as minus 2, 5, 1, minus 2. And so this is A inverse. Now my question is, I want to find out x. What is x we have written? X is equal to A inverse B. What is A inverse answer? Minus 2, 5, 1, minus 2. This we multiply by B matrix. What is B matrix? The RHS is called B matrix, say minus 2, 3. So we'll multiply by minus 2, minus 3. How do we multiply? First row by first column. So minus 2 into minus 2, 4. 5 into minus 3, minus 15. Second row by first column. 1 into minus 2, minus 2. Minus 2 into minus 3, plus 6. Simplifying the answer, 4 minus 15, I can write x is equal to 4 minus 15 minus 11, minus 2 plus 6 is plus 4. This number is small x and this number is small y. So x is equal to minus 11, y is equal to 4, and this is the solution that I get for the required equation. We shall cross verify putting x minus 11 and y 4 in the given equation. X is minus 11 plus 2 into y value 4 means 2 4s are 8. Minus 11 plus 8 equal to minus 3. So as we get the answer, it is good that we cross verify the answer. Exercise 1.3, question number 1, third subsection. Solve. 2x plus 3y minus z is equal to 9. X plus y plus z is equal to 9. 3x minus y minus z is equal to minus 1. Now how many equations are given? 3. First thing, as in the previous problem, we are going to write ax equal to b form. So what do you mean by ax equal to b form? So we are going to write ax equal to b form. A is all the numbers in the equation. So here I have 2, 3, minus 1. 2, 3, minus 1. Second equation, 1, 1, 1. Third equation, I get 3 minus 1 minus 1. So we write 3 minus 1, 1. Minus 1. Into, what are the variables coming in the equation? X, y, z. So we write x, y, z equals to all that is in the RHS. Here the number, first equation 9. Second equation also 9. Third equation minus 1. So we write 9, 9, minus 1. And so we have written ax equal to b form. Now as in the previous problem, I am going to write if ax is equal to b, x is equal to a inverse b. So my procedure is to find out a inverse and multiply with b. So what is the first step? Find out determinant A. How to find out determinant A? Write the numbers 2, 3, minus 1 from A matrix. 1, 1, 1, 3, minus 1, minus 1. Now remember the symbols. It's a 3 by 3 determinant. Put the symbols as plus, minus, plus. How do we expand? Plus 2 into. Remember the procedure. Being the first problem, we expand it with a step. But if you can do it directly, that is well and good. So when I have plus 2, where is 2 coming? Here. Hide the row, hide the column. So what is remaining? 1, 1, minus 1, minus 1. The second number I have minus symbol and 3. So we write minus 3 into. Again hide the row, hide the column. So here 3 is coming, hide the row, hide the column. I am left with 1, 1, 3, minus 1. 1, 1, 3, minus 1. The third number is minus 1. Here there is a plus symbol, but plus into minus, I write only what? Minus 1. Minus 1 into. Again hide the row, hide the column. We are left with 1, 1, 3, minus 1. 1, 1, 3, minus 1. Now we shall expand the determinant. 2 into product minus the product. So minus 1 minus, already there is a minus 1. So I can write plus 1. Minus 3 into minus 1 minus 3. Minus 1 into minus 1 minus 3. Simplifying the answer. This is 1 minus 1, that is 0. 0 into any number is 0. So write just 0. Minus 1 minus 3 minus 4 into minus 3 is plus 12. Minus 1 minus 3 is minus 4. Minus 4 into minus 1 is plus 4. Altogether I get 16 as my determinant value. So determinant A is equal to 16, which is not equal to 0. Therefore A inverse exists. Now we are going to do the procedure for A inverse. For writing the A inverse, my first step is I want to find out adjoint of A. It's a 3 by 3 matrix. How do we write the adjoint? Remember, whenever we are in 3 by 3, we put the symbols like this way. Plus second term minus third term plus. So remember how we write it? Plus minus plus. Second row minus plus and minus. Third row plus minus plus. So it is good that I write first as plus minus plus, minus plus minus and plus minus plus. Now I need to write out the entries here. So where is this actually? First row, first column. So hide the first row, first column. I'm left with what? 1, 1, minus 1, minus 1. 1, 1, minus 1, minus 1. How will you fill up here? This is first row, second column. So hide in the A matrix, first row, second column. So I'm left with 1, 1, 3 minus 1. 1, 1, 3 minus 1. Now we are going to fill up first row, third column. So here I am left with first row, third column. If I hide first row and third column, I am left with 1, 1, 3 minus 1. So we write 1, 1, 3 minus 1. Similarly, fill up the second row. Second row, first column. Hide second row, first column. What I am left with? Second row, first column. 3 minus 1, minus 1, minus 1. Similarly, we write the remaining elements. Second row, second column, third column. So hiding the rows and columns, we find out what is adjoint of A, and very important is remember to put the transpose. So we want to find the transpose and fill up this answer. Now how will you find out each one? So again the next step for writing adjoint, we shall put like this way: plus, minus, plus. Second row minus, plus, minus. Third row plus, minus, plus. Now let us fill the entries. Product minus product. So you can write the answer by simplifying. Say minus 1 plus 1. As we simplify the numbers, minus 1 plus 1, second minus 1, minus 3, minus 1, minus 3. So we proceed and fill up the remaining elements. Now let us simplify this answer. Minus 1 plus 1 I get 0. Minus 1 minus 3 is minus 4 into minus is plus. Minus 1 minus 3 is minus 4. Minus 3 minus 1 minus 4 into minus is plus 4. 1, 11, 4, minus 3 and minus 1. So we have to write the transpose, and with this I get what is adjoint. What do you mean by transpose? Interchanging the row and column. So I rewrite 0, 4, minus 4. First row becomes first column. Second, 4, 1, 11 and 4, minus 3, minus 1. So this is the answer for adjoint. Now once I arrive at adjoint, I have to go with A inverse. So what is A inverse? A inverse is equal to 1 by the determinant value that I got is 16. So 1 by 16 into adjoint value already we have got 0, 4, 4, 4, 1, minus 3, minus 4, 11, minus 1. So it's answer for adjoint. So we have written A inverse is equal to 1 by determinant A into adjoint. Now what I need is X. What is X formula we have written? A inverse B. What is A inverse answer? 1 by 16, 0, 4, 4, 4, 1 minus 3, minus 4, 11, minus 1. So, I am writing X is equal to A inverse into B. What is B actually? All that is in the RHS we call as B. So, the numbers are 9, 9, minus 1. Now, as usual, let us multiply. X is equal to 1 by 16. How do we multiply? First row by first column. 0 into 9, 4 into 9, 4 into minus 1. So, my answer is 0, 36 minus 4. Similarly, second row by first column. 4 into 9, 1 into 9, minus 3 into minus 1. So, 36 plus 9 plus 3. And finally, third row by first column. Minus 4 into 9, 11 into 9, minus 1 into minus 1. So, I get minus 36 plus 99 plus 1. So, my answer is 1 by 16. This we just simplify the answer. 36 minus 4. 36 plus 9 plus 3. 48. 99 plus 100. 100 minus 36 is 64. Now, 1 by 16 means every number that is inside the matrix, take this 1 by 16 inside. So, I can write this as 32 by 16, 48 by 16, 64 by 16, which reduces as 32 by 16 is 2, 48 by 16 is 3, and 64 by 16 is 4. And as before, this number I call X, and this number I call Y, and this number I call Z. So, let me take and write X is equal to 2, Y is equal to 3, and Z is equal to 4, and this is the required solution. So, we have done today 2 by 2 as well as 3 by 3 solution of equations. Thank you.